Home Remedies presents incredible one ingredient home remedies for swollen feet. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today's video will be all about some incredibly effective one ingredient remedies to get rid of those swollen feet. If you too get swollen feet quite often, it's best to keep some home remedies in mind. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get complete information. And without any more wait, let's start. Swollen feet can be caused due to many reasons. Sometimes it might highlight a problem such as heart, liver or kidney disease. If your ankles swell up in the evening, it could be due to right-sided heart failure. It normally occurs at the time of pregnancy or due to foot, ankle, injury or edema. Edema is basically swelling that is caused when excess fluid is trapped in the body's tissues, which we call it fluid retention. It is uncomfortable and painful. Swollen feet are common and usually not a cause of concern unless there are symptoms that could signal a serious health problem. If the swelling is excessive and prolonged, you should consult a doctor for a diagnosis. But if it lasts for only 2 to 3 days, you can use these home remedies to soothe them. To manage up with swollen feet, here are some effective and a must-try remedies. Grapefruit essential oil. Numerous studies have revealed that grapefruit essential oil is a great way to reduce swelling. Add a few drops of grapefruit essential oil in a warm bath and just relax. You can also add it to a bucket of lukewarm water and soak your feet. It will greatly reduce the pain and swelling in the feet. Due to its anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, the oil is very helpful to reduce swelling during pregnancy. Rock salt. A pinch of salt can do miracles for your feet and relieve them from the pain and swelling. To maximize the benefits, make sure you use only rock salt, which is said to be a pure form of salt. Take a bucket of lukewarm water, add some rock salt and soak your feet in it to get rid of inflammation and swollen feet. Lukewarm water is recommended as hot water may increase the swelling. You can use this remedy daily, twice a day till the swelling subsides. Cucumber and lemon water. Alternate to just drinking water to flush toxins out and dilute the salt in your system. You can add a few slices of cucumber and lemon to the water and enjoy. Both these fruits have anti-inflammatory properties and will help to treat swollen feet. Coriander seeds. This is popular treatment for swollen feet. Coriander seeds are anti-inflammatory in nature and reduce swelling. Just add 2 to 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds to a cup of water and boil it until it reduces to half. Strain the solution, let it cool slightly and drink up. Repeat twice a day. Watermelon. Swelling in feet can greatly be reduced by consuming watermelon. Watermelon contains 92% water and stimulates urination. It is a great diuretic. They aid in reducing water retention. Make sure you load up on watermelons in the burning summer and ensure healthy feet. You have to give me a like and share for these extra tips, yeah? Massage your feet. A 5 to 10 minutes foot massage in an upward direction can greatly help with swollen feet, as it creates pressure on the affected area and helps improve blood circulation, relax muscles, and encourages excess fluid drainage, which results in reduced swelling. Raise your legs. Gravity is not your friend when it comes to swollen feet. Try raising your legs above the level of heart every chance you get. Even resting your feet on a pillow or slightly higher can make a big difference and decrease swelling. Avoid salty foods. Reduce your intake of salt. Excess salt is a big contributor to swollen feet. Exercise. Don't sit for long hours. Take a break, walk a bit at intervals to improve blood circulation and lessen swelling and relieve pain.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.